Home Show.
Matt from Stagecoach, Texas, has a question about solar fans.
Well, he's already got ridge vents, Tom. And Matt writes to us, I'm trying to keep the attic just a little bit cooler. What's your opinion on a solar-powered attic fan? Are they really worth putting in?
If you're going to go up in the attic and you're going to stand up there, sit up there, sleep up there, whatever, then it's going to make you feel better. Now, I know people, Charlie, you're shaking your head like,
yeah.
But think about this. There's two ways to cool a structure. When you cool a structure, that's one way. When you cool your body, I should say there's two ways to approach cooling. If you're going to cool your body, you move air over your skin. You cool yourself through evaporation. That's why in the shops, in welding shops, whatever, we have these big fans running all the time because it's hot in there and you want to cool your body down. But with a structure, you want it to be very methodical, very slow, and right against the skin. And when you get into a roof, you want it to slowly, right underneath that roof deck, just slowly move out. As the air is getting hotter, it's rising. As it's rising, it's pulling humidity into it and holding more water. So you're drying the attic out. You're not cooling the attic off. That's not what attic ventilation is supposed to do. And it removes the water out of the attic so your insulation can work better. So if you need to add insulation, you put it on the floor of the attic next to the condition space where you have your air conditioning running. But if you're going to go up there and feel hot and you say, I want a cooler up here, it's not going to do you a bit of good unless you stand under that fan and let that air blow across your skin.
So the answer is no.
Especially with ridge vents and soffit vents.
So the answer is no.
With ridge vents and soffit vents and all the proper, no, you don't need it. If you have a special, and you'll talk to Jim from Ideal Roofing, he comes across areas that really you don't have much of a choice. That's different.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, like a little hip roof coming off, and you can't.
Yeah, where you can't have ridges, vents, and stuff. So that's okay.
All right, you got a question? We'll help you out like that. And if we're going to tell you no, if you're not spending your money smart, we'll tell you. Yeah. You can still go do it. It's like we give our kids advice; they'll do what they want to do. But Tom says don't do this one. We'll shoot you straight. Go ahead and visit HomeShowRadio.com. Fill out that Ask Tom form. Send it in. We'll post a video like this. We'll put it up at Facebook, our YouTube channel, or right here at HomeShowRadio.com.